Kawasaki Ninja H2R is a motorcycle built for pure, unrelenting speed. Equipped with the supercharged 998cc inline-4 engine, it produces an astonishing 310 horsepower. With its track-only design, the H2R is capable of reaching speeds well over 240 miles per hour. It's not just about raw power, it's the precision in how that power is delivered, thanks to its cutting-edge electronics and aerodynamic design that keeps the bike stable at blistering speeds. Customization is key with the Ninja H2R. From personalized paint schemes to the selection of performance parts, every H2R can be tailored to the rider's preferences. You can choose between different suspension setups, braking systems, and even aerodynamic components to enhance performance. Carbon fiber bodywork, custom exhausts, and specific track-focused tires are just a few options available to make the bike uniquely yours. With the Kawasaki Ninja H2R, you don't just experience speed, you have the power to fine-tune every aspect of it.